Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore the awe-inspiring world of prehistoric animals that once roamed the earth and dominated the seas and skies. From the gigantic Megalodon to the fierce Duncolosteus, these creatures are the stuff of legends. In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating details of 10 incredible prehistoric animals, diving into their physical characteristics, habitats, and behaviors. Let's get started. Megalodon. The Megalodon was an enormous prehistoric shark that could reach lengths of up to 60 feet, making it one of the largest predators in history. With teeth the size of a human hand, this shark was a formidable hunter, feeding on large marine mammals like whales. Megalodons thrived in the warm waters of oceans worldwide during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs. Their powerful jaws could crush bones, and they likely used ambush tactics to capture prey. Despite their dominance, they went extinct around 3.6 million years ago, possibly due to climate change and competition. Pteranodon. Pteranodon was a large pterosaur, a flying reptile, with a wingspan of up to 33 feet. Unlike birds, pteranodons had hollow bones and elongated beaks with no teeth, which they used to catch fish from the oceans of the late Cretaceous period. They lived in coastal regions, soaring over the seas in search of food. Pteranodons had a distinctive crest on their heads, which might have been used for display or balance during flight. Their ability to glide for long distances made them efficient hunters in the prehistoric skies. Mosasaurus. The Mosasaurus was a massive marine reptile that dominated the seas during the late Cretaceous period, growing up to 50 feet long. With its powerful tail and paddle-like limbs, it was an agile swimmer, preying on fish, squid, and even other marine reptiles. Mosasaurus had a double-hinged jaw, allowing it to swallow large prey whole. These apex predators lived in warm, shallow seas that covered much of what is now Europe and North America. Their fossil remains suggest they were formidable predators, ruling the oceans until the end of the Cretaceous. Glyptodon. Gliptodon was a massive, armored mammal that lived during the Pleistocene epoch in South America. Resembling a giant armadillo, Gliptodon had a large, dome-shaped shell that protected it from predators. It could grow up to 10 feet in length and weighed as much as a small car. Gliptodons were herbivores, grazing on grasses and plants in their savanna and woodland habitats. Their strong, clawed feet and heavy armor made them well adapted to survive in a world filled with large predators like saber-toothed cats. Titanoboa. Titanoboa was the largest snake ever discovered, stretching up to 42 feet in length and weighing over a ton. This prehistoric serpent lived in the hot, humid jungles of South America around 60 million years ago, during the Paleocene epoch. Titanoboa likely preyed on large reptiles and fish, using its massive size to constrict and overpower its victims. Its sheer size suggests that the climate was much warmer then, allowing cold-blooded reptiles to grow to enormous sizes. Titanoboa's discovery provides crucial insights into the ecosystems of the post-dinosaur world. Ichthyosaurus. Ichthyosaurus was a marine reptile that swam the oceans during the Jurassic period, resembling modern dolphins with its streamlined body and elongated snout. They could reach lengths of up to 10 feet and were agile swimmers, feeding on fish and squid. Ichthyosaurs had large eyes adapted for hunting in deep waters, giving them excellent vision in low-light conditions. Their fossilized remains have been found worldwide, indicating their wide distribution in ancient seas. These creatures were among the top predators in their marine environments. Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is often considered the missing link between dinosaurs and birds, living around 150 million years ago during the late Jurassic period. This small, feathered creature had the physical characteristics of both reptiles and birds, with sharp teeth, a long tail, and wings. Archaeopteryx lived in what is now Germany, inhabiting lush forests and possibly gliding from tree to tree in search of insects and small prey. Its fossilized remains show well-preserved feathers, highlighting the early evolution of flight. This creature provides crucial evidence of the transition from dinosaurs to modern birds. Dunkleosteus. Duncolosteus was a prehistoric fish that ruled the seas during the late Devonian period, about 360 million years ago. It was a massive predator, growing up to 33 feet long, with armored plates covering its head and jaws. Dunkleosteus had powerful, razor-sharp jaws capable of crushing bone, and it preyed on fish, sharks, and even other armored fish. Its fossils have been found in North America and Europe, indicating it was a widespread species. Despite its fearsome appearance, Dunkleosteus likely went extinct due to changes in the environment and competition for food. Megalania. Megalania was a giant monitor lizard that lived in Australia during the Pleistocene epoch, reaching lengths of up to 23 feet. This massive reptile was a top predator, likely preying on large mammals, birds, and reptiles. Megalania had powerful limbs and a strong, venomous bite, making it a formidable hunter in its forest and savanna habitats. Its size and predatory nature suggest it played a significant role in the ecosystems of ancient Australia. The extinction of Megalania coincides with the arrival of humans in Australia, raising questions about human impacts on its survival. Basilosaurus. Basilosaurus was a large prehistoric whale that lived during the late Eocene epoch, around 40 million years ago. Despite its name, which means king lizard, Basilosaurus was a fully aquatic mammal, growing up to 60 feet in length. It had an elongated, serpent-like body and small, vestigial limbs, indicating a transition from land to sea. Basilosaurus was a top predator, feeding on fish and smaller marine mammals in the warm seas of what is now North America and Egypt. Its discovery helped scientists understand the evolution of modern whales. Thank you for being a part of our journey through the prehistoric world today to explore these remarkable creatures. Each of these creatures tells a unique story of life on Earth long before humans existed. We hope you found them as intriguing and mesmerizing as we do. It is your support that keeps us going. So, if you loved this video and want to go on more such adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends too. Nature is full of surprises, so keep your eyes wide open and your heart ready for more thrilling discoveries. We will be back with more animals in our next video.